what I'm trying to do again is cut the body out, but that didn't work with this particular software, so I figured out my own little method. So I downloaded a black rectangle and a black circle, and I just started placing it in the places where I wanted it to blend with the black background. And you're just gonna want to again keep reshaping it, keep putting them on there until the background is all covered up, or at least as much of it as possible without it looking jagged and the corners looking sharp. So you want to make sure that you're doing it correctly, taking your time. If you use the scroll wheel on your mouse, you can zoom in and out. And the last tip is use layers. So the layers really help it blend. This layering and blend your objects, because again it helps a lot with it blending with the background the most efficiently for me. I'm just going to time lapse it for you guys so you guys don't have to sit around and wait. But other than that, you guys can watch the rest of this video, enjoy it. If you like it, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Other than that, that's all I gotta say. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if you have any question, and I will see you guys next time.